guys, I'm at another Dollar Tree. This one's in Baltimore, Maryland. Alright, so I'm in another store. I thought I was going to be leaving from Washington, D.C., but had to stay an extra day. So I'm in Baltimore, Maryland. And I just had to, of course, visit a Dollar Tree. I don't have a cart because I don't have much room, but let's see what they have. It is like 6 o'clock at night, so the store is kind of packed, but I'm seeing some pretty standard stuff that I see across all Dollar Trees. So, you know, the Voila section looks like it always does. But this store does look a little bit picked over, so it must be like heavily shopped on the daily. Some cute, oh, that is really cute. I've actually been looking for more of these dominoes, but so cute. Can't bring those home. Wait, have I seen this before? I don't know if I've seen this before, but that might be new. Here are the dominoes. Wait, what's this? A collapsible basket. They have it in black. I actually cannot believe that. Like, I'm shook. They have these with the handles. These would actually be really great for cleaning. Like, get yourself a little cleaning basket and take it to like your rooms, whatever rooms you're cleaning, you know, put all your cleaning supplies in it. That would be cute. I don't know if you guys watch Vanessa. Love her. She's like the ultimate cleaning lady, and she has like a whole cleaning cart. This kind of reminds me of that, except like you just carry it around. So that would be really cool. Look at these. Long flex tray. What is that? Smart sized item, flexible for easy drawer or flexible. They also have it in gray. So here it is in gray. Wow. Literally don't even know what to say. Okay, seeing stickers. Ooh. Wait. The ladybugs are really cute. Wait, this one's really cute. The sunflower one. I think I have to have the sunflower one. So I'm gonna take that with me. This one's actually really cute too. This one. I'm gonna try to find these solid ones at home, but I'm gonna take this one just in case. But like, ooh, how cute is that? Wait, what's this? That's really cute. I've never seen that one before. Okay, like, I feel like I could just sit all day and sift through those. What? Wait. Wait a damn minute. Yeah, I'll pick that up in a second. I have to have that. I just found this one, I think. Yeah, I found that one back home. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm not leaving here without this, but like, can we talk about the bra stamp? Alright. Wait, rub-on transfers. These actually will transfer onto paper, by the way. So that's pretty good. Okay, I do feel like I could probably hit a huge jackpot here. Do I sift through that? Do I not? vibes like none other. Wait, they have DIY tassel charms. Look at these blocks. Oh my, yeah, yes. I hope I find those back home. I really do. So we've got all the Crafter Square stuff looking pretty normal from, like, I guess from what I've seen. These are cool too. Oh, organizer boxes, those are cool. Just, you know, all the glassware, the candle stuff. I mean, these look different. I haven't seen these in my stores. Look at these. These little camera picture frames. Remember when I talked about them? Still shook, and they're everywhere. Okay, what is this? Oh, that's cute. I found these in Virginia, or the one where I titled it Washington, D.C. And then I'm getting this one. Wait, I don't have this one. That is super cute. Like, if I had room, this would have ended up on my cart. Okay. Wow. What? Oh, I want these. I need to, and a lint roller. Okay, so random info, but when I was pregnant with Micah, I was like 18. Pine Sol was like my favorite scent. I was like addicted to it. I don't know, it was just like a weird scent craving, I guess. Too big for the airplane, or else I would totally take this. But if I was home, this would have ended up in my basket, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. Look what they have. I've not seen that at my Dollar Trees. Rarely see Pine Glow sometimes. Oh, they have such a good cleaning section here. So good. This is like my top favorite, by the way. This LA is totally awesome. The degreaser on this is like better than anything I've ever used. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, I've been on the hunt for this stuff from Bolero. Is it? Oh, not Bolero. Be Pure. Still can't find it. Wait, no, I have that. Okay, so I have this. This is actually really awesome. It's weird, like it's like a lipstick, but it's good. Okay, what is this? Now I have these. I haul them and I love them. Although I thought I might like get another pack, but wait, I've never seen this before. They also have that one down there, and then this one. Like, see, if I was home, look at this, whitening, I would have gotten all this.